more than 100 years after the Titanic disappeared beneath the icy waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. Another tragedy would unfold in the same dark and unforgiving waters, creating headlines around the world and reviving old stories, old fears, and old questions that many people believed had long been buried alongside the famous ship. For some people, the loss of the Titan submersible was simply a tragic accident caused by engineering failures and the immense dangers of the deep ocean, while for others it felt like another strange chapter in the long and mysterious history of the Titanic. More than a century after the Titanic sank, the famous ship continues to fascinate millions of people, attracting explorers, historians, filmmakers, and adventurers who dream of seeing the wreck that rests nearly 3,800 meters beneath the ocean surface in complete darkness. That fascination led 5 people to board a small submersible called Titan in June 2023, beginning a journey that promised a rare encounter with history but would ultimately become one of the most shocking deep-sea tragedies of modern times. On board were 5 people from different backgrounds, including explorers, entrepreneurs, and a father and son pair, all sharing a fascination with the Titanic and a desire to witness history resting on the ocean floor. On June 18, 2023, Titan began its descent into the Atlantic Ocean, slowly leaving behind sunlight and entering a world of darkness, freezing temperatures, and crushing pressure where even the smallest mistake can have catastrophic consequences. Then, less than 2 hours into the dive, communication suddenly stopped, leaving the crew on the surface uncertain about what had happened and triggering an international search effort that quickly captured global attention. For several days, the world followed every update as ships, aircraft, and deep-sea specialists searched desperately for the missing vessel while hopes of a rescue slowly faded. Then came the devastating discovery that debris from Titan had been found near the Titanic, confirming that the vessel had suffered a catastrophic implosion caused by the overwhelming pressure of the deep ocean. The tragedy claimed the lives of all 5 passengers and immediately raised difficult questions about safety, engineering, and the risks people are willing to take in pursuit of exploration. Yet despite the scientific explanations, the disaster also revived the legends that have surrounded the Titanic for generations, leading some people to wonder why tragedy seems to follow so many attempts to reach the famous ship. Perhaps there is no curse. Perhaps there never was. But more than 100 years after its sinking, the Titanic continues to attract dreamers, explorers, and adventurers from around the world, proving that some mysteries are simply too powerful to be forgotten.